Hi guys, so this is going to be a video about the nutritional intake that I do on a daily basis and the resolutions that I've made to eat healthier and the things that I eat on a daily basis to keep the fat off and be more energetic and youthful by taking healthy food stuff into my daily life. So starting off, I want to start off with breakfast because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. They say that you should eat like a king, and then you should have lunch like a middle class and normal person, and you should actually have dinner like really light like a pauper. So I want to concentrate on breakfast the most because it's the most important meal of the day. So for breakfast I tend to grab my packet of oatmeal into a glass of hot milk, and which has to be topped off with berries. You can use frozen, you can use the fresh one, whatever works. So this has to be my breakfast. And actually oatmeal has a lot of fiber, and if you're trying to ward off fat like I am, like I was always, so I'm sure that everybody wants to lose at least 5 pounds no matter how skinny they are. So I'm no different, and I want to lose weight as well. So oatmeal actually has a lot of fiber, and it actually helps you losing weight, especially around your midsection. And if you're a mommy, you know that very well how important it is after you have your child to get back into your previous shape. So yes, that was my breakfast. The another resolution that I have made is to intake of more nuts into my daily diet, and I'm not fond of many nuts except for cashew nuts. So I plan to eat walnuts on daily basis from now on, at least a handful of walnuts, because at least I am a vegetarian, so I don't have fish which has omega-3 oils and stuff like that. So I tend to actually eat them so that I get my intake of omega-3, and it actually helps if you have cholesterol and blood pressure as well. So yes, I plan to include walnuts and olives, green olives. They are monounsaturated fatty acids, and they are the good fats that you actually need in your body. And because of this, I've actually substituted canola oil for olive oil for my daily cooking as well, so that I get omega-3 and the essential fats that actually my body needs. We all tend to think that we don't need fat in our body, but our body actually needs fat for the cells to transform and for the tissue to replicate and take place of that sort. So yes, green olives, I take about 2 or 3 green olives per day. I'm trying to increase my intake as the day and weeks pass, but I'm sure to increase that. And the next thing that I tend to include for my evening time drink is organic green tea. This is from Trader Joe's. You can buy it from any brand, and this has a lot of antioxidants, and it has flavonoids as far as I know, and it is considered to have a very good effect. Although it tastes bitter, like horribly bitter, I am not fond of it at all, but just because of the antioxidant part, I am starting to take that for every evening as a drink. The next thing that I am not fond of, is has become an integral part of my vitamin supply, is the Hair Skin Nails Nature's Bounty. It has 5,000 mcg of biotin for strong nails, vibrant skin, and lustrous hair, and it has collagen, alpha lipoic acid, and calcium. So this has a lot of vitamins, vitamin A, C, D, E, B12. So if you are the one who skips your green vegetables and stuff like that, I guess you should include this because it has potassium and everything that you could think of. And I take about 2 to 3 caplets with meals. So if you have any concerns, you can consult your doctor, but I have been taking this for the past couple of months, and I have been seeing results because I was a horrible nail biter, and I've tend to have like decent nails. So yes, and then after that, include whole grains into your diet. Like even if you're having pasta or tortillas or like bread, don't go for the conventional white bread. Go for the ones that clearly specify and say 100% whole wheat. So I tend to use the brown rice spaghetti pasta, and it has wheat free, sodium free, cholesterol free, and is certified by the USDA. So this is from Trader Joe's as well. Yes. So these are my superfoods. I hope you incorporate at least a couple of them in your daily diet, and I'm sure you will see a much better healthy you in the forthcoming months. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative to at least some of you, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to show some love to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.